Does a perfect pair of petite jeans even exist? I'm 5'2". I've always struggled with jeans. In the last couple weeks, I tried over 20 pairs. And these are the 8 pairs I decided to keep. Let me show you one by one. The first half, slim fit and straight leg. And second half, wide leg. Links and timestamps are down below for everything I'm wearing today. But make sure you watch till the end because the last pair is my favorite. And it's from a brand I've almost never shopped jeans from. Let's dive right in. Starting from this pair from J.Crew factory, straight leg, 24-inch inseam, and high rise. I've been looking for a pair of easy ankle jeans for everyday wear for a long time. I'm 5'2", but my inseam is very comparable to those of you 4'11" or 5 foot because my rise is longer, so that makes my legs shorter, and it's hard to find true ankle jeans for my height. And these are perfect. It's just a little above my ankle, and this is the right length to pair with any flat shoes. You can do loafers or sneakers. The high-waisted design reaches my belly button, which is very comfortable for me. I also like how it fits on the buttocks. It makes my butt look good, but it's not too tight. Pairing it with the oversized sweater from Everlane. And the fit is very loose, so you may want to size down. But I love the honeycomb fabrics. The texture looks very spring, and it's soft and lightweight. That makes it very easy to tuck in. Do make sure if you're wearing any loosely fitted pieces with your jeans, you want to tuck in to avoid looking swamped. Every petite needs a pair of black ankle jeans, and that's the reason I got this. This is actually the same design as the first pair, but of course black gives you totally different outfits. And by the way, none of this is sponsored. With its 24-inch inseam, they go with just about any shoes. Black makes it dressier. That's why I like to pair them with low heels to dress up the outfit. All black is always chic. Plus, it just makes everything look more expensive. So let's say my top is from H&M under $30 and my jeans under $60. So this is really a very inexpensive outfit, but it's a all black pairing and accessories that elevate it. Oversized sunglasses or statement jewelry are some of my favorite ways to go about it, and I'm pairing it with my Gucci bag because the gold hardware adds more dimension to the all black outfit. These black ankle jeans are also very easy to style for work. I'm doing the layered look. Underneath, button-down shirt from Everlane. And the cashmere is from Macy's in-house brand Charter Club. I got this for $60 during their flash sale, so really good deal. The sweater is actually regular length, but I'm rolling it up a little bit to give it a more cropped look. And this is how I make my legs look longer. Let's talk about white denim. After trying so many, this is the only pair that has worked for me so far. And this is a Levi's ribcage 2727 ankle jeans. The inseam is 27 inches, so this is definitely not the ankle length for me. I would have to roll it up for flat shoes. But I love to wear them with all of my kitten heels. Most of my shoes are 1 to 2 inch kitten heels anyways. I've been looking for a pair of straight leg white denim forever, and this is it. 2 things I really love about this pair. One is a ribcage design. This is about 12 inches in the rise, which is super comfy for me because my rise is longer. And number 2, the leg shape is a wider straight leg. So this is somewhere in between straight leg and wide leg. Most of the white denim I've seen are flare leg or cropped flare or wide leg. And this is a perfect everyday white jean that I can pair with just about anything. The fabrics are light to medium weight. That makes it very versatile. I can start wearing it now all the way to the summer. For the transitioning weather, a lightweight cardigan makes an easy outfit. Always out for shorter length if you want to elongate your legs. And this sweater is from Mango. I've been shopping a lot at Mango recently. I feel like they're the luxe version of H&M. When they're on sale, their price is fairly close to H&M. But the quality is actually comparable to what I get from Nordstrom. A lot of the medium-tier brands are about the same quality, but the price is much lower at Mango. Pairing the white jeans with striped button-down shirt gives you the old money style, ready-to-work outfit. Always make sure you open up the button-down shirt and roll up your sleeves. And of course, if you're petite, you always want to tuck in your shirt. Most of the bags in this video, I bought them from Demolier London a couple months ago, but they continue to be my most used bags because they go with just about any outfit, regardless of season. This pair is from Quince. It's my first time getting jeans from this brand. They don't call it petite jeans on their website, but they do have 3 different inseam that you can choose from. This is 26 inches. For me, it's a little under my ankle, but a lot of petites have longer legs and longer inseam length than me, so this could be an ankle length for you. The high-rise sits right around my belly button, which is very comfortable for me. I like the right amount of stretch for the fabrics, and that makes your buttocks look good. For those of you, if you're very used to wearing skinny jeans and now are looking for a replacement, this is a pretty good option because it's slim fit, but it is straight leg. So it looks more updated than skinny jeans. And the slight straight leg shape also makes it more versatile. The 26-inch inseam makes it easy to go with just about any shoes. I like to wear with my kitten heels, but of course you can also do flat shoes like Chelsea booties. Spring weather has a lot of ups and downs. That's why a high neck and short sleeve sweater like this comes in really handy. I found myself wearing this kind of design a lot recently. And the bag is also from Quince. Quality of the leather is really good, and the price is only like $160, so it's totally worth it. Plus, I love the woven design. That makes it look more upscale, and it also adds a more casual vibe to the outfit. And the color goes perfectly with my suede slim back low heels. And when the weather gets chilly, this becomes the underlayer. All you need is a jacket that gives you extra warmth. And this becomes an easy outfit you can wear to the work or for the weekend. Wide leg jeans have always been hard for petites. Next, I'm going to show you 3 pairs that fit really well for our height, starting with this pair from Banana Republic Factory. The inseam is about 28 inches, and that's my favorite part. Because we're petite, when we're wearing wide leg jeans, it's most flattering to go for that full-length look. But for most of the brands, the petite full length means 29 and even 30 inches, and that's always too long for me. So that means you either have to be really long-legged petite or you have to wear really high heels. But these are 28 inches length, so that's perfect for us to get the full-length look without having to wear very high heels. The rise is pretty high. That's very comfortable for me. And the fabrics is really stretchy, so you don't need to size up. You might even want to size down a bit if you want a tighter kind of look. And when your bottom is wide and long like this, the best is to go with the top that's slim fitted like this. When it comes to layering, I found crop length jackets work the best, and this one is from Mango. I mentioned in other try-on videos before, Mango doesn't make petite versus regular size, but their outerwear is pretty comparable to some of the other brands that do make petite sizes, so this one fits me really well. I love the fabrics and especially the crop length that looks really leg elongating when you pair with a longer wide leg jeans. These are a little different. These are slightly cropped wide leg jeans from J.Crew factory. Cropped wide leg has been on trend for several seasons, but the thing is, if you're petite, you want to be a little careful. You don't want them to be too short because the legs are wide. With this 26 inches, it's actually under my ankle, so they are the ankle length and not really too short on me. I love the lighter wash, which is perfect for the warmer weather in spring and summer. The patch pockets, so cute. This is actually a trend that started last year and it's still going very strong. So this season you're gonna see more patch pocket jeans, which I absolutely adore. I normally don't recommend any double-breasted jackets for petites, but this one is an exception. This is a sweater jacket. Because it's knit and because it's so cropped, it doesn't add any bulkiness for your upper body. So even if you're petite, you can feel free to wear it and don't have to worry about making it look wider or bigger. And this one is from Mango. Now, I almost never wear any wide leg jeans with any flat shoes. So with 26-inch inseam, I'm still gonna pair it with my low heels. But some of you have mentioned in the comments that you really do not like to wear any heels. If that is you, this is the right kind of wide leg jeans that you can wear with flat shoes, like Chelsea booties. Now this is another pair of high-waisted, almost full-length wide leg jeans from Banana Republic Factory. Of course, the wash is different. That's going to give you totally different looks, and that's the reason I've kept both colors. I like how it's more fitted and lighter in the middle and darker on the side. This is going to give you a more slimming effect. And also, a darker wash like this makes it easy to dress up and look more elegant. Compared with the other pair, the fabrics of this pair feels more rigid instead of stretchy like the other one. So this gives you a thicker denim look, which is what I really like. The 28-inch inseam makes it very easy to pair it with all of my low-heel sling bags. And I like to go for that elegant, ladylike look wearing a tweed jacket like this. And of course, this one is also from Mango. I've been really obsessed with this jacket recently. For your reference, I'm 34B. Typically, I am a size petite 2 or petite 0 with most of the other brands. This Mango jacket, I'm wearing a size extra small. The shoulder width is perfect, and the sleeve length is very comparable to the other petite size brands. Carry my medium size, classic Chanel flat bag. And this is how you dress up a denim and make it suitable to go anywhere. I am so glad you've reached this part of the video because this pair is my favorite. The petite size straight leg jeans in 25.5-inch inseam. In my previous videos, I have shown you this pair from Levi's, the ribcage 27-27 straight leg jeans. I thought that was gonna be my favorite, but until I found this pair. I really love the Levi's ribcage, but the thing is, I always have to wear a little bit of heels, which is okay, but I prefer it to be more versatile, but now with this pair, it's almost the same in everything except that I don't have to always wear heels. Because the inseam is 25.5, just a little longer than my ankle length, this opens up a lot more options. It's long enough for me to wear with any kind of heels. It can be kitten heels or slightly taller 3-inch heels. And of course, I can also wear this with any kind of flat shoes like loafers. So this is my everyday straight leg jeans that I can literally go with any shoes and any top in my closet. Another reason I love this pair of jeans is the fabrics is very comparable to the Levi's as well. So it feels more rigid and give you that original denim feel. But because of that, you also want to size up. Typically, I am a 2P, but with this pair, I'm going with 4P. That way, you can have more leeway and feel less restrictive in your tummy and in your buttocks. The color is a vintage medium indigo blue. I absolutely love this color. It gives you a very classic denim look. It's light enough to wear for the warmer weather, but it's also dark enough to give you that slimming effect. It goes with just about any color in my closet, so I can pair this with lighter tops, sweaters, or outerwear for that spring look. Another reason I love this pair is because of the leg shape. It's the right amount of volume. There's a lot of different kind of straight leg jeans. Some of them fit narrow and that can make them look almost like skinny jeans. But this pair is not too wide, not too narrow, so it's perfectly right in the middle. And that's the reason I can pair this with any of my outerwear, including a longer coat like this. Typically, these are very hard to pull off unless you're wearing skinny jeans, but with this pair of jeans, it works perfectly. And yes, I haven't told you the brand name yet. I need to tell you. This is from Ann Taylor. This is very surprising to me personally because even though I've always shopped at them for their pants, they're always known as a workwear brand for petite stuff for me. So I've almost never gotten any jeans from them. This is the first time in the last 5 years I've gotten any jeans from them. And it's really surprising that it's worked out so well. I'm so glad you have watched all 8 pairs of jeans. Next, make sure you watch all the outfits I have worn in this video. Do you know that I also talk about all the other styling topics for petites? Make sure you watch another video. I will see you in the next video.